Bridgestone. Bridgestone is committed to quality in everything we do, from the products we manufacture to the services we provide. Through consistent quality in products and services, the Bridgestone Group earned the trust and confidence of customers around the globe to become the world's leading rubber manufacturer. It was Bridgestone that developed the world's first rubber track in 1968. The company remains the world leader in rubber tracks, the only supplier able to respond to the industry's most demanding requirements. Extensive R&D, design and FEM analysis focused on improving performance, and laboratory bench testing that simulates every kind of real-world usage ensure that Bridgestone rubber tracks are the best. In addition, we perform real-world tests using actual vehicles at our own dedicated rubber track proving ground and in-field tests around the world. Feedback from these testing and analysis programs drives product development and continues to improve the quality of Bridgestone rubber tracks. The crucial raw materials made and developed by the Bridgestone Group include natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, steel cord, and chemical additives. Bridgestone operates rubber track manufacturing facilities in 3 countries, each having superior quality and environment management systems. From design and development to manufacture and service, Bridgestone's integrated production system guarantees the highest performance and quality. Bridgestone, stay on the right track. Bridgestone's state-of-the-art technologies were essential in the development of our rubber track for agricultural tractors. Tread design. Bridgestone's tread design is focused on maximizing performance. Bridgestone's patented Pro-Edge design reinforces the sidewall profile, which provides additional edge stiffness and improves overall durability. Our asymmetrical tread walls cause lower soil disturbance while still providing the necessary traction to get the job done. The double-angled tread bar provides better mud release, smooth roadability, and an optimized balance of traction and side slip stabilization. Tread chamfers give Bridgestone rubber tracks for agricultural tractors improved turning performance, even on paved surfaces. Bridgestone's tread design provides even weight distribution. This gives even tread wear and prolonged tread life. Rubber track performance and durability are maximized by an optimal balance of tread height and pitch length. Bridgestone's specialized tread design and reinforced roller path area provides superior ride performance. This combination of tread pattern, pitch, and tread height helps Bridgestone rubber tracks for agricultural tractors to outperform others in the field. Bridgestone's expertise in rubber compounding and product design ensures the best performance and durability in any field condition. The quality of Bridgestone extends deep into the inner structure of our rubber tracks, allowing us to provide a consistent, superior quality product to the market. Bridgestone rubber tracks use corrosion-protected steel cords. This prevents rusting, maintaining the designed strength for longer rubber track life. Bridgestone's spiral technology for rubber track utilizes our exclusive no-wave cable to dramatically improve performance and durability. Bridgestone vulcanizes the tread, main carcass, and guide lugs of the rubber track simultaneously, giving us higher manufacturing consistency and superior durability in the field. Bridgestone Rubber Track. Created with pride and passion, Bridgestone is the world's #1 brand for safety, comfort, and efficiency. Bridgestone. Stay on the right track.